My Kinleigh's Doodle box for September arrived today, and another fantastic job by Hannah. I took one of the dividers and put it in the front cover, and I even laminated one of the backer cards because I love the plaid to use as some deco. The acetate this month and the vellum, just beautiful. And here I have a pocket from a previous doodle box, and I took the journal card from this month, laminated it, and then I put a clear pocket on so that I can take the really nice post-it pad, which just coordinates really well over there. And I have good storage for it right here, so I can just reach for a post-it pad while I'm doing my work. These magnetic clips are just terrific. I love them. You can use them to grab things, and they're just so pretty. And here on the back I had another Kinleigh's adhesive pocket from a previous kit that matched perfectly, so I have my stickers in there so they're close by. I took another divider, and I get B6 so that I can just decide which planner I want to use it with each month, and it works. Because this, I just took the B6, have it unfolded, and I cut it to size, which was 5.5 by 8.5. And again, another magnetic clip, and just the prettiest vellum. Great job, Hannah.